This is your Philosophers for Ancient Greece interactive notebook page. Greek philosophers. I'm going to start here on the left-hand side on the scroll. Philosophy comes from the Greek word philosophia that literally means a love of wisdom. Sophists were a group of traveling teachers, philosophers, who taught young men in Greece. On the right, Socrates, and the Socratic method. Socrates taught many individuals using his Socratic method. The Socratic method is a form of discussion by asking and answering questions to engage in critical thinking. By doing so, it will illuminate useful ideas and answers to problems. Plato. Plato was one of the many students of Socrates. He focused on reality and what it means to be real versus imaginary. So your first question or thing to address on this page is a philosopher is someone who, and then here at the bottom we have four philosophers. We have Euclides, Plato, Archimedes, and Socrates. And that's it. Again, when you are done, please make sure that you go into the Google Classroom, put a personal comment on your assignment that you did it on paper, and then make sure you turn it in.